The slackage is real. Look at this, y'all. Slackage is real. I didn't have any flab over the tightness of these outfits. And now, since my behind has not worked out in a month and a half, I have spillage. I have spillage, y'all. So, my butt is in the gym. My butt is in the gym. What is good, YouTube? It's your girl Brinks. It has been a month and a half since I've been to the gym, and I know this is about to kill me to put on, but I just wanted to get this on video so you guys can see like my whole gym routine. Getting ready. So I suck. Suck in. That actually was a lot easier than I thought it was. That's usually my hard part, yo. But that went so much easier than I thought it would. And then we just struck these bad boys. So I'm actually going to be only working out for like 30 minutes today, y'all, because I left super late. I was supposed to get in an hour today, but my behind was stuck watching a movie and just came out.
Bruh.
But I'm dressed.
Seriously, mommy.
Got it on, you guys. It's nice and tight. Got on my Savage Fenty workout gear. Ready to get this working on in. I feel like I'm wearing stockings today, yo.
Bruh.
But yeah. Yeah, you guys, let's get to it. So your girl is back home. I'm about to shower. I'm about to wash my hair and all of that good stuff. Like, I am tired, you guys. Like, I literally went in on the workouts, y'all. I went in. Like, it was long overdue. And I didn't even get the full body, honestly. But I got most of it. I was able to get the arms, the legs, the abs, the glutes. The glutes were needed. So I guess I did kind of get the whole body, y'all. I did want to do some treadmill, y'all, but like, your girl got to get up in the morning. Like, I no longer work 4 to midnight. Like, I can't sleep in like I want to. TK is about to start school next week. Like, it is a wrap on me sleeping, okay? A wrap. So literally, when he does start back school, like, I'm gonna have to get myself on a schedule, y'all. Like, for real. I'm gonna have to either no, I can't do that. I was gonna say, like, I need to start hitting the gym like after I drop him off for school, but it's too many people up in there in the morning, y'all. Like, and I don't do the big crowds. I can't stand it when everybody is in the gym at one time. Like, y'all, I can't stand it when everybody is in the gym at one time and then people be on the machines that I want to be on. Like, I don't have time to wait for them to get off the machines that I want to get on. Like, it's just a mess, y'all, in the morning. It's just too busy. Whew. Oh my gosh. It's just a mess in the morning, y'all. And Riri. Look at this, y'all. Like, she be making me form a whole little booty.
Bruh.
With this. But y'all, I'm getting myself back together. I am getting myself back together. I'm about to wash my hair, wash my body, go to sleep. So tomorrow is the Passion Twist video. Am I doing anything this weekend for like a get ready with me? I don't know yet, you guys. I know I'm going to be doing a ton of cleaning. And then I have a fashion show practice on Sunday after TK's Sunday swimming lesson. This fashion show is for the one that's in October. So this is actually the Halloween fashion show that I was telling you guys about. I don't know if you remember me telling you about it, but yeah, this is for that show. I'm still trying to figure out like where I want to go with my looks. Like, I still don't even have a theme yet, you guys. Like, I was stuck on Candyland. I was stuck on Candyland and Barbies. And then I was stuck on dolls. So like, I don't know. Y'all. It just is what it is, y'all. So I literally have to detangle my hair. I'm about to take a shower, get that done, and then get ready for bed, turn in. Like, I feel like I got some glue pieces in my hair. Do I got glue pieces in my hair?
Seriously, mommy.
Or is that just my tight curls? No, it's just my tight curls. I don't know, y'all. Like, I be tripping. But anyways, y'all, like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that the clips were straight up and down. Like, I wish there was some way that I could actually record that a little better. I mean, I could just record it like I'm recording this. But the thing is, like, long ways, you guys, you get the full body. So you get to see, like, if I'm even doing the exercise properly and all that good stuff. But it's been a while since I did a workout video. It was time. I had to get back out there anyway. I had a blood pressure check appointment today, you guys. I have not been taking my blood pressure medicine. Like, and my doctor was, like, just drilling it into me. So, like, I need to get back on it, you guys. My health is important. So, I need to get on it. But other than that, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.